what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed as always. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Yeah, HELLCAT. So hey, I know a lot of you watch my Mustang videos, the F-150 videos, but what you may not know is here at Brenspeed, we do build other vehicles than just Fords. So today I want to show you, because this car is actually pretty cool, 15 HELLCAT Automatic running 93 octane fuel. We had a goal today of hitting over 750 real horsepower, which we did. I'm going to show you a dyno pull of that. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify us, stay up to date on cool videos like this. And hey, let's say you have something that's not a Mustang or F-150, you can simply email quote@brenspeed.com and say, what's it cost to build my brand X vehicle? Let's go check out the engine compartment. Okay, what did we do to this HELLCAT? How did we get over 750 the tires? Honestly, it's really easy. One of the reasons I want to do a video on this vehicle today because it's how easy it was to make killer real horsepower, killer real torque. Doug, come down and take a look. Just a few simple mods. We have the JLT air induction system. We ran a 2.9 pulley. I believe it's around 13, 14 PSI boost. Like I said, 93 octane. We did do a set of Stainless Works long tube headers with the really sweet QTP cutouts, as well as a set of ID 1050X injectors. I will put a link in the description so you can read more about these parts, but honestly, that's it. It's a really easy way to make a lot of power in a car like this. Like I said, it's an automatic 93 octane. Check out this dyno pull. All right, we're gonna look at these numbers, but something I didn't mention is we installed a radiator. It's a newer radiator company that we haven't used before, cold case radiators. Wasn't really sure about it. It's a really high quality radiator. I like it a lot, I recommend it. But Doug, check it out. 765 real horsepower coming in at 6,100 RPM. I love the torque on this. 726, peaking at 4,000 RPM. We got into this thing about 3,000. And the peak torque was about 4,000. That is awesome. So I just want to take a minute to show you how easy it is to make power in a car like this. Doug, let's take one more look. Boy, this thing's going to get some attention. And again, handful of mods to make that kind of power. You got to love it. Even though you're a Mustang lover, you got to give this a little bit of respect. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions. We're happy to answer. Have a good day.